we will see how to find the roots of a cubic equation without doing any manual calculations but using calculator FX991MS. Suppose this is our given cubic equation, x cube plus 4x square plus x minus 6. We have to compare it with the standard cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the coefficients of x cube, x square and x respectively, and d is the constant. We have to identify these coefficients and constants and feed into the calculator to get the answers directly. Switch on the calculator and go to equation mode. Keep pressing mode till you get equation EQN. Mode is 1, so press 1. Now we have to find the roots of a cubic equation, so the degree mode we have to go. So press right arrow as shown here. Right arrow. Degree is 3 for a cubic equation. For a quadratic equation, degree is 2. The video on the quadratic equation is already done. Now we have to give the coefficients. Here in the example we have taken a is equal to 1, b is equal to plus 4, c is equal to plus 1 and d is equal to minus 6. So a is equal to 1, press equal to. Next b is equal to 4, press equal to. C is equal to 1, press equal to. Next d is equal to minus 6. We will get 3 roots which are denoted as x1, x2, x3. So x1 is 1, x2 is minus 3 and x3 is equal to minus 2. The roots need not be always real. It could be imaginary complex form also. For example, we will see for this example x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So to feed the equation coefficients of the equation again, press equal to, will get back a. So here coefficient of x cube is a, which is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is b, which is equal to minus 4. Coefficient of x is c, which is equal to 1. And the constant is d, which is minus 6. Now x1 is 4.11. This is one of the real roots. x2 is a complex number. So x3 will also be a complex conjugate of x2. How do we identify that it is complex? Here we have minus 0.05 and we can see here real to imaginary. So this is the real part of the complex root x2. Now we have to press shift equal to get the imaginary part, which is denoted by I. So it is minus 0.05 plus 1.206 I. Now to get the third root equal to, so it is minus 0.05. Again to get the complex imaginary part of the complex root, shift equal to minus 1.206. So the roots of this equation are, you can press equal to again and you'll get back the answer 4.11. This is one of the root. Next is minus 0.05. The real part will be the same for the complex conjugates. Shift equal to plus 1.206 I minus 1.206 I. These are the 3 roots of x, or the 3 values of x which satisfy this equation and cubic equation.